Recording audio on computers is a common need now. You may need to record online music, voiceovers, podcasts, or other audio projects for later use. But, have you ever encountered problems like low quality sound, noise, distortion, and echo while recording audio on your Windows and Mac computers? If so, you are in the right place. No worries. This video will show you how to record audio on computer in high quality. Just stay tuned. FonePaw Screen Recorder can assist you to record any audio in high quality, provide smart features like noise cancellation, and support multiple output formats. Launch the FonePaw Screen Recorder. Tap the audio recorder. Here, turn on the system sound button when recording the internal audio. Or, turn on the microphone button when you need to capture your own voice. Click the drop-down arrow to choose noise reduction, mic enhancement, and sound check. Once all settings are done, click on the rec icon to start recording audio. During the recording, the audio volume can be adjusted in real time. To finish the recording, click the rectangle icon. You can check this part to adjust more settings. Click the gear icon to set preferences for your audio recording. On the Output tab, audio output and quality can be selected. See, FonePaw Screen Recorder is an easy-to-grasp tool for you to record audio. Its multiple recording features also help to enhance audio quality. If you want to know more tutorials about recording other scenarios such as Microsoft meetings, just give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.